Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to build a simple text-to-speech app using React. This app will allow users to type text into a text area, and when they click the Speak button, the app will read the text aloud using the Web Speech API. Let's dive right into the code. First, let's start by importing the necessary dependencies. We import React to use JSX and React features, and useState is a React hook that allows us to manage state in functional components. Additionally, we import a CSS file to style our app. Next, we define our text-to-speech app component and initialize a state variable called inputText to store the text the user types. The inputText state holds the text input by the user, and setInputText is the function used to update this state. We initialize inputText as an empty string. Now, let's create a function called handleInputChange to update the input text state whenever the user types in the text area. The event.target.value gives us the current value of the text area, and we use setInputText to update the input text state with the new value. Next, we'll create the handleSpeak function. This function will use the Web Speech API to convert the text into speech. We first check if the input text is not empty or just whitespace using trim. Then, we create a new SpeechSynthesisUtterance object with the input text, and use SpeechSynthesis.speakUtterance to make the browser speak the text. Now, let's render the UI. We'll add a heading, a description, a text area for user input, and a button to trigger the speech. The text area allows users to type text, and its value is controlled by the input text state. The onChange event triggers handleInputChange whenever the user types, and the button triggers the handleSpeak function when clicked. Quick fix: I accidentally used event.target.input, but it should be event.target.value to get the user's text. Always use value for inputs and text areas. And that's it. We've built a simple text-to-speech app using React and the Web Speech API. You can now type text, click Speak, and hear it aloud. Feel free to customize this app further, maybe add voice selection or speed control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.